Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is the 69 Chevelle. Small block under the hood, four-wheel disc brakes, killer looking car guys. Beautiful interior and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom of the car. We're gonna take a look under the hood. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna check out the interior. We will show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. I tell you, I love the blue with the black stripes. Now the stripes are buried under the clear. I can just barely feel those stripes. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grill's in great shape. The hood's fitting real nice too. It's nice and flush. The lines are nice and straight. Got a great looking set of wheels and tires on it. Moldings look good. The door fits nice here also, and this line looks fairly straight. It's nice and flush. All the moldings look good. Vinyl top's in beautiful shape. Door handle looks like it's new. And again, the door fits real nice here. That line's nice and straight and even. You can see the door jambs are nicely painted and cleaned up. They had the latches out when they did the restoration. We got nice rubber here. Door panel itself looks good. Steering wheel's in decent shape. Dash pad looks good. We got seat belts in the front and the rear. This is actually 6 passenger here, guys. You can get 6 people in this thing. Headliner's in good shape. Shoulder belts are there. Dome lights even working on this car. And take a look at the dash, how the gauges are nice and clear. The lenses on them, and then the faces of the gauges look good. Looks like it's got an aftermarket radio in it there. Paintwork is slick and smooth, Malibu. Now that was an upgrade for Chevelle back in the day. We've got great looking chrome on the back bumper, and then the chrome around the taillights looks good. The Chevelle emblem here also looks good. I got 2 keys to choose from, so I should have pretty good luck getting the trunk open. You can see inside the trunk here, we've got the, looks like the original polyglass tire in here for a spare. Trunk's nice and solid, wheel wells look nice and tight, back sides of the quarters are nice and clean, bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted, the lips on the deck lid look good. When you look down the side of the car, look at that paintwork. Straight as an arrow. Professional job on this car for sure. Nice body work on it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Chevelle. So we spent the time and checked it out before we bought it. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all you need to know about this car. Now we've got about 235 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We brought in 48 new units last month and I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take our Chevelle for a ride. Beautiful car, great sounding exhaust on this baby. 4-wheel disc brakes, ready to go guys. We can ship it anywhere in the world. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy that process is. And if you want some help with financing, we got you covered on the finance end too. Just call Tom and he will hook you up with the banker. Only takes about 15 minutes on the phone and we'll get this baby parked in your driveway. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out the car in person or send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. We can get the car up on the lift for you. We can show you all aspects of the car. If you see something on the car you'd like a little different or you'd like to change or add, Don't be afraid to talk to Tom about it, because we have a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car that you need to have done. So just give Tom a call and he will hook you up. When we get around the corner here, we'll take a quick look at the dash. Dash is looking sweet on the car. The paintwork on it is amazing. It's got a real unique color of blue on it with the black stripes. Now down here on the dash, you can see speedo's working. Looks like the gas gauge is working. Horn's working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Tell you, this thing is driving great. I make this my daily driver. It's got a great sound to it too. Listen to that exhaust. It sounds great. Like I said, if you'd like to come in and inspect the car, we'd love to have you, because, you know, we don't get a lot of visitors at Vanguard, because we sell about 90 to 95% of our cars sight unseen. So we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. And if you happen to see myself or Tom out at a car show, please come on up, say hi. We'd love to meet you. We travel all over the United States looking for these beautiful cars, so you're liable to see us walking around at a car show. We'd love to meet you. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're going to pop the hood, see what's going on under the hood. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your muscle car investment. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. We got about 80,000 square feet of storage here. So if you're coming out, make sure you let Tom know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front. All right, we're underneath this 69 Malibu now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see a new gas tank, a new 2.5-inch exhaust. Drop downs look nice and solid. We got a 10-bolt rear end in here. It is an open rear end, and it's right around a 307 gear, so it's a great highway gear. It's got brand new disc brakes on it. That setup is all brand new. All the bushings look good. Frame solid as a rock. We got Flowmaster mufflers here. U-joint looks good. I got new hard brake lines going front to back, and it does look like they used all the good hangers on the exhaust system. Bottom areas here and the low areas in the frame all look nice and tight. Floorboards are amazing. They're nice and clean, and they look original to the car. The rear end casting number also lines right up with the car, so it very well could be the original rear end. This transmission also lines right up with the car. Very well could be the original transmission. Jet coated headers are looking great and brand spanking new. Again, up front here, we got drilled and slotted rotors on the brakes. They look brand new. We got coilovers holding up the front. Front sway bar looks good. Core support up front here looks good. Bumper in the front's looking good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, this car is beautiful, nice and solid, nice and clean. It's a beautiful car underneath, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front we got some great looking Riddler wheels. 215, 45, 18s up front, and you can see right down to the bottom edge, beautiful. And that rocker is gorgeous. That pinch weld is also gorgeous. Now let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, let's see what we got on size. 255, 45, 18s. Again, brand new wheels, and those Willwood disc brakes out back too, and those rear rotors are also drilled and slotted. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a Crate 350. She's got aluminum valve covers that are all polished up. The jet coated headers look brand new. MSD wires are brand new, those spark plug wires. We got a Quadrajet carb sitting underneath that good looking aluminum air cleaner. We've got polished up brackets here for the alternator, which is also chromed up. The master cylinder and the power booster are both chromed up. The car does have power steering on it. All the AC lines look like they're new. The evaporator box looks good. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it. Looks like it's got brand new battery cables on it. This is an amazing build here on the car, guys. She's awesome. She's a Chevelle and she's a Malibu. It's got a crate motor in it. It's got the numbers matching trans still in it. Great brake setup. You're going to love it. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.